Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It is November. Halloween is officially over. So that means we can get back into some glam looks, but you know there's still going to be spooky products, spooky ideas, spooky looks, because it's just Halloween all year long here on my channel. We all know that. But today I'm going to be using the Addams Family collection from Hipdot. It did come out last month, and I did film this last month, but I have not had time to edit and put it up. I also wanted to take a break after October was over, and yeah, so here's the video, finally. I primed my lids with my Plouise base, and then I'm using this candy corn lip balm. I bought this when I was in Salem, Massachusetts, and it's amazing. I love it. It's really cute too. So this is the Addams Family collection from Hipdot. Super cute. It is a little palette, 3 lipsticks, and then it came with a pen. The palette is also totally Addams Family, like colors, like Morticia's colors. That's exactly what I would think of. If Morticia had an eyeshadow palette, it'd probably be this. So I'm going to go in with the black shade. I'm also using these Real Technique brushes. This collection from Real Techniques is a collab with a friend of mine. Her name is a.l.i.e.n, and I know her from when I was in the Face Awards in 2018. She was in it the year before me, and she is so talented, so amazing. You should definitely go check her out. I will have her down in the description box. I'm now going in with the red and the brown color in this palette, and I am just buffing it out. So the inner part of my eye is red, and then the outer part is going to be black and brown. I just wanted to try to use as many colors as I could in the palette without making it look too muddy, so I just kind of played around and blended some stuff together. That's what we do here, right? After I've blended everything to my liking, I'm going to go back in with my Plouise base and just cut out the lid a little bit. I'm not going for like a perfect cut crease. I'm just blending the black and the red into the white so everything is nice and cohesive. And then I'm going in with this Wet n Wild glitter liner stuff. It was from their Fantasy Makers collection for Halloween, and I actually really like it because it's just a little touch of glitter. It's nothing too crazy, so I thought that was nice. And then I'm going in with my favorite Anastasia liquid liner, and I'm just going to create a line and then take the black shadow from the Hipdot palette, and I'm going to blend that liner into the black on the outer corner of my eye. So it's still a wing shape, but not a wing liner, which I love to do because I love a good wing liner, but you know, sometimes you gotta change it up a little bit. But this is my favorite type of eye shape on me, is this eyeshadow I did. I went ahead and did all my base. I'm using the Spoiled Cosmetics blush. This is from their Dollhouse collection. It's so pretty. Oh my god. It's perfect. And I'm just blending that up. And I did kind of a lot. I went a little heavy on the blush, but you know what? I'm not apologizing to anybody for it, okay? I'm then buffing out my lower lash line. I put some black in my waterline, and now I am just blending and buffing it out. I'm now using this Bitter Lace Beauty Slay highlight. This is pretty old. I've had it for a while, but I always love to use it every Halloween. It's just a pretty glittery, sparkly highlight. They had a few different ones, like a candy corn one, I think, and like a spiderweb one. I don't know if they still have them, but you could definitely go look on their website because they're worth it to have and they last a long time. I'm using my liquid liner to do my inner corner point. And now I'm going in and using these lashes from Spoiled Cosmetics. These are also part of their Dollhouse collection, which was really cute. I have the palette as well, so I need to do a look with that. I will do that very soon, I promise. And I'm tightlining my eyes to make my lashes look a little bit more natural. And then I'm going in with this Plouise lip liner, one of my favorite lip liners that I own. I always love brown lip liners. They are my favorite. If you haven't noticed, they just go with every lip color. Also, look at me, how cute am I? If you got it, Haunted. This is my hat collab with Witchwood bags. If you have not gotten it yet, it's still up. It's still available on the website, so you could go snag you a couple. I would do it now, you know? Who cares that Halloween's over? It's Christmas, and you still have to celebrate Creepmas, you know? So why not get you a spooky hat? Anyways, I'm going in with the red lipstick from the collection. There is a black, there is a gray, and there is this deep red color. And I'm just applying this And that's it for this look, you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. This is rather simple for me, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This collection is so cute, and if you want to snag you a hat, go to witchwoodbags.com. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!